So I really hope you enjoyed our other video from last week. This week, have you ever wondered how you get those two colours in a swirl rose or any of the other flowers that you see? Well, we're going to show you how we do it. Aren't we?
Yeah, I mean, I think they look so just impressive, don't they, really?
Yeah,
and it is
amazing.
such a simple little way of achieving that result. So we're going to show you now. You've made all your colours, you've got your dark colour, maybe a lighter colour. You can obviously have fun experimenting with the different colour ways that you can choose, but we've just done red and white today, so it's nice and you can really see the contrast.
Easy, you can easily see it. So the good thing is, if you can just use a glass, pop your nozzle in your bag, and then I've just folded the bag over the glass, and then you can see a nice clear hole in the middle. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line the bag with the red all the way round. I'm just using my spatula, and I'll show you then once that's done what that looks like. There we go.
It really is the simplest thing, isn't it?
But the most effective, isn't it? So there you go. So if you line your bag, can you see there's a nice hole there in the middle?
Michelle's gone right to the nozzle, and then she's left the middle section quite deliberately clear. So all I'm going to do now is add a spoonful of the other colour buttercream. That's just going to go in there. It's like an ice cream, isn't it?
It is like ice cream colour.
I'll put a little bit more in actually, just to make sure. And then, you're not going to see very much in the beginning. I'm going to push that down, squidge that out. And then you do need to make sure you just squeeze out the end to check your colour is coming through. Yep, I can see it coming now. And now Michelle is going to do her thing.
I'll do my thing with my swirl rose.
And show how this is going to turn out.
So these colours are absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to show you quickly what it's come out like. Okay. So I'm just going to do a nice wide one here just so you can see those two colours. If you can see those two colours, hopefully you can see how well that's come out. But it does look absolutely beautiful, doesn't it? Once you've you know, finished off your cupcakes.
Yeah.
If you put them in a box or if you put them into a bouquet, they look absolutely stunning.
Yeah, I think anything you can do to introduce like two colours is going to add definitely a lot of depth to what you're piping. And if you want to learn how to do a swirl rose, keep watching or subscribe to our channel, because that's what we're going to be showing you how to do next week.
We'll see you then.